guys, welcome to our channel where you can explore the traveler in you and have fun wherever you go. In this video, we are deviating from the norm. We're trying something new. We had got a lot of recommendations and suggestions to cover our car. So in this video, we're going to try something we have never done before. We are going to shoot a car commercial.
We're going to show off a bit, maybe a bit.
And if you do like the video, it will encourage us to include the car in all our videos as well. Stay till the end and let us know what you thought.
Will make someone know where to go. No one should have to feel this way, and I know what we'll do. Just to float with no answer why, and to live what isn't true.
So hey guys, hope you liked the video. This was our first attempt at a car commercial. I wanted to shoot the best of my car on a GoPro. Hope you guys liked it. I hope it has come out well.
If you like the video, please do hit that like button. Smash it, smash it, smash it.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, join our family, be part of our ever-growing community. We're still a new channel, we're still learning, we're trying out new things. The more you support us, it encourages us to put out more of such content.
And also, please do follow us on our social media handles so that you will be updated on our upcoming content. And if you have any suggestions for our upcoming content, you're more than welcome. And we are open for collabs too.
That's it for this week's adventure, guys. Hope you liked it. See you on the next adventure.
Bye-bye.
Bye, guys.
Hello guys, car is coming, car is coming, car is coming.